Do this lying down, grab below the knee, stretch up if you have the balance. If you don't, lean against the wall or go and lie on the floor. Here's what I don't want you to do. Don't go like this and roll down, and don't bend your knee and do it. If you do that, it can go into your lower back, and that's not what we want. So grab on, stretch up. Really what you're doing is opening up your hip, okay? I find that stretch helpful in not hurting my back. Okay. I'm gonna go through the stability ball. You come down, lean back. You can grab behind your ears. Don't grab behind your head because you don't want to pull on your head. You want to support your head. So you go back as far as is comfortable. You come up, drop your hips. Come up, okay? Full contraction right along the whole rectus abdominis. Down, come up. Once you get better, you can do this, because now you get more of the serratus as well, okay? Or you could even grab a weight, hold it here, or grab a weight and hold it back there. Don't go and just grab a weight and start doing it. Do this progressively. Make sure that you're safe. There's no aches in your back or your neck. Those are the two major areas you have to be careful about when doing crunches, especially on a ball. Okay, so you can also do side crunches. I would alternate eventually. At first, just crunch in. You want to hit your oblique. That's why I stop here. So it's down, oblique. If I do this, it's more lat, and you could actually hurt your spine. So be careful about that. Boxers will punch across. That's fine, and you can go for speed, okay? But let's call you a beginner. So focus on the oblique contracting. Don't go past the same side thigh. So it would be contract, contract. It gets easier. Again, now you've got the serratus anterior, and then you can use a weight. So progressively get better. Rep range, I would try, well, when you first start, you might do 4 reps and say, okay, that's it. And the next time you might do 5 or 6. If that's so, just build up. Don't force it. Never jerk. Get away from jerking. You're unstable, and that's usually where you hurt your joint. In this case, the joint would be your spine. In between sets, so you might do 1 set, you might do 2, you might do 3, you might do 4. Again, just gradually build up. I have no idea where you're at right now, so I can't really tell you. When you go over, you're gonna do the dolphin swim. So, crawl over, heads drop, legs drop, stretch out. So you need to find your balance point. And I'm not sure you guys can see this. So you're here, okay? Come over. Hopefully you can see it. Stretch out, come down. Stretch out, come down. Just do 1 set of that. Do another set of abs or side crunches, and then what you're going to do is leg lifts. So I come forward, as long as you can see my legs, squeeze up. Do between 4 and 6. Don't overdo this. Okay, and do your flutter board like you would if you're in the swimming pool. The other one you're going to do is, you can call it flying. I'll do this forward and then I'll do it backwards. You're here, tuck your head in, reach if you can. If you can't, just do this. So reach, come back. Notice my head comes up each time. So tuck your head in. This is great for the erector and multifidus in the back. reach, okay? You can also, if you want, add a plank. You're up. I was training RCMP, and he said, he actually introduced me to this. With the ball, you can roll it around and then move it, okay? How long? Maybe the first time you do it, you last 10 seconds. If it starts to go on your shoulders or your lower back, stop. And then take a break and then try it again and gradually build your strength and endurance up. So that one I usually do 4 times, right? You reach up, you come back. The plank is a time thing. So this one, I said I would show you the other way. And I think I'll show you a couple of, so you reach, tuck in, go back, lift your head, reach, go back. 2 to 4 times. And the dolphin swim was like this. So you're down, stretch out, down, stretch out. There's lots and lots of ab exercises you can do. I think I'm going to leave it at that. Practice with the ball. I'll do another one where you're actually on the floor and doing a variety of crunches. Always listen to your body. If your body's saying this doesn't feel right, that means it's not right. If you're like, oh, that's tiring, that's why you do multiple sets with low reps. And that may be what they'll tell you in physio. So if you have an injury, they'll say, okay, do a certain movement to break down the muscle fiber and to heal, okay? Or the tendon. So listen to your body. Don't kill yourself. If you're hungry, meaning you want to get stronger, it's good to walk out hungry. That means don't push yourself so hard that when you go home you can't do anything else. Then you're kind of useless. Push your body, but not to complete exhaustion. And in no time, your endurance and your strength are going to improve anyways. Okay, until next time.